guys, this week what to expect? Well, red bell peppers. What did I do with it? Check it out. Hi guys and welcome. My name is JB Rose, singing vegan mum. Now if you don't know who I am, I'm a singer, I'm a vegan, I'm a mum. I always start off my videos that you know who I am and also what I do. I'm a singer, I'm a vegan and I'm a mum. Listen, I know it's Christmas, but as usual I feel like I'm just running late for Christmas. So the next video you will see, I will be talking all Christmas and all around here will look very, very Christmassy. But today, what am I doing today? I've got a friend of mine who works in a depot sort of place, and they just throw away lots and lots of very good fresh vegetables and fruit because they've got a slight defect to it. My friend came round and gave me a massive box of red bell peppers. So what was I to do with it? Now before I let you know what I did with it, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, and also tell me what you would love to see me do. Now back to the peppers. Well, so first of all, I roasted the peppers. I put it on a big tray, put a little bit of olive oil on it, drizzle, 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 and I put it in the oven and I roasted it for about 20 minutes, half an hour on a medium heat. On a medium heat? Oh yeah, you know what I mean. Anyway, I did that, right? I thought I'd make a roasted red pepper soup, and this is how I made it. Then with the other half of the roasted red peppers, I wanted to make some kind of a hummus, a dip, that kind of thing. So
I use an 8-ounce can of butter beans, a really delicious alternative to making your hummus.
And it shows that you're gold. Don't like.
and sometimes I add a little bit of nutritional yeast just to give it some more zing, 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 zing. And I literally zhuzhed it all up in the zhuzher. You know I call it a zhuzher, right? In the zhuzher, and I zhuzhed it up. And that's how I made my simple roasted red pepper hummus. Delicious, la la la, delicious. So now guys, this week's been another busy week. So it's coming up to Christmas, so dinner parties, etc. And I hosted my very first dinner party in a long time here at my house. I used to have lots and lots of dinner parties before kids. So it was really nice to invite a couple of my friends, and I just cooked a massive, massive vegan meal, which had dal, which had seitan, and to make the rice and peas I used gunga peas, which we eat a lot in the Caribbean. Lots of salad and vegetables, and it was delicious. It was fantastic. I'm looking to host a lot more meals now in my house because my kids are getting older now, and you know it's a lot less drama when the kids get a little bit older, right? So anyway, that was my lovely dinner party. Thank you for coming, Paulette and Dion. We had a great evening together.
And it shows that you're gold.
Don't forget, I've got my e-cookbook as well. It's still available. It's on my website, www.jbrose.co.uk. Go over to my website, download it. You'll love it. Got some lovely recipes. Ackee and kelp pie. I have a chickpea patty. It's lovely. It's delicious. Go over. It's reasonably priced. So I think that's it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. In fact, I'm going to give you a few seconds to hit the subscribe button right now, just in case you forget. Did you do it? Okay, so guys, look, I hope you enjoyed this week's recipe for healthy vegan options. I'm your girl. I'm your girl.